Okay, we are going to talk about the cow eye. The first thing that I want to point out is the iris, and that's the most anterior portion of the vascular layer, and that is it's visible and it's colored, and you can find it between the lens and the cornea. And the iris is found right here, around the edge. The next part is the cornea, and that's this part right here. And the cornea is the clear portion of the sclera. In a preserved specimen, it's kind of cloudy, but when you see it on a live eye, then it's a lot more clear. Then, moving on, we can talk about the ciliary body, and that's this black right around the edge of the lens. And it consists of interlacing smooth muscle bundles that are called ciliary muscles, and these are important in controlling the shape of the lens. Then you have the sclera, and this part around the edge of the eye is the sclera. Right in the back of the sclera you have the optic nerve. And the sclera basically just forms the posterior portion and the bulk of the fibrous layer of the eye. Then we have the lens, right here. And the lens is a bioconvex, transparent, flexible structure that can change shape to allow precise focusing of light on the retina. The retina, over here, is the thin membrane covering the posterior surface of the eyeball, and it contains the photoreceptors that process light coming into the eye. Then you have the choroid coat right here, and the choroid coat is a thin membrane that appears very iridescent. Over here we have the vitreous humor, and the vitreous humor binds tremendous amounts of water, and it transmits light, supports the posterior surface of the lens, and it contributes to intracellular pressure. And this helps counteract the pulling force of the extrinsic eye muscle. And that's going to be found right over top of the lens, inside the eye. And that concludes the eye.